Hello students, these are the next three exercises of chapter number 39 of shipping phrases. So let's start with exercise number 202 on the speed of 80 words per minute. Be ready? Start. The Port of London Authority extends its sway over the greatest and richest highway of commerce ever known to history, and it is continually improving the conditions of shipping on the Thames. In matters relating to shipping, the Board of Trade regulations have to be carried out, while the various chambers of commerce seek to improve and modify any enactments affecting the interests of their members. The Merchant Shipping Act, the York Antwerp Rules, and the Marine Insurance Act have an important bearing on the importation and exportation of produce. When goods are exported, various documents are used according to circumstances. Among these documents may be a bill of lading in set of 4, an invoice marked errors and omissions accepted, a consular invoice, and a marine insurance policy, which may be a voyage policy. Next exercise number 203 on the speed of 80 words per minute. Be ready? Start. These documents, which are frequently accompanied with a bill of exchange, form the documents of title. If an advance against shipment is required, the documents of title, including the consular invoice, are forwarded to the London office of the bank. The advice should be marked shipping documents enclosed. If a bill of exchange is sent through the bank for collection, any special instructions as to the proceeds should be given. For instance, remit proceeds of bill to London or remit draft on Paris. Sometimes a charter party is employed, and for all these, a captain's receipt for documents is given. A shipper's prices may be free on board, free on rail, or cost insurance and freight, and insurance may be free of general average or according to foreign general average. In all cases, risks must be approved by the underwriters, or they will not be responsible for the damage which may occur. In making a claim, the nature and cause of damage must be given, and there may be a case of total loss or constructive total loss. If salvage is necessary, the ship, freight, and cargo must each pay its own share of the salvage charges. Consignees may be written to by post with shipping documents enclosed. Next is exercise number 204 on the speed of 80 words per minute. Be ready? start. Arrangements are often made for bankers to make advances against shipments or advances on acceptances. The banker forwards the documents to his agent abroad, who presents the bill of exchange for acceptance or payment, upon which the agent will surrender the shipping documents. The London office of the bank will be advised, and the shipper will be credited with the margin or difference between the advance made and the amount of the bill. Instructions are often given to remit draft on Paris, to remit proceeds of bill by telegraphic transfer, or to cable exchange rate, and telegraphic codes are employed. These usually consist of keywords or figures, each word or group of figures representing a complete sentence. So these are the next three exercises of chapter number 39 of shipping phrases. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.